Okay guys, come out and do a bit of a video. It's roughly about 11 now. Just watch the football. I'm just going to have a walk down and see what's happening with the bars. They are allowed to stop open till 1 o'clock now. It's a different scene altogether we're getting there. Plenty of people in the bars and they don't look like they're moving anytime soon. Lovely to be out of the sun at the moment. It's getting a bit hot in the day. The bar's still not open. Bride 2 still not open. Don't really know why that is. Most of these bars down here are pretty busy, as you can see. Getting back to both sides of the street now. People in. New Uncle Ron's there. Get half her food. Drinks good in there as well. Still a sports bar open. Nice in there. Haven't been in there yet. London bar said it was going to be open. I know what's happening there, guys. They've been open and shut. Most of the bar are doing well now. Just down on the end here, the new cocktail bar going in there. In this one here. And that'll be in the next few weeks. So that's sort out. I suppose it'll take them too long. See a cocktail bar there. Okay guys, I'm just going to do some quick videos tonight because I need to get a few views back on, to be honest. KFC down the bottom there. We'll change the format a little bit and see what happens. If you would like to help out a bit, try and watch the advert in the beginning. If you could watch that for us, it would be brilliant. Okay guys, we're in this one here. Like and subscribe as normal. There'll be another one coming up in the card now if you want to watch more from Benidorm. And we'll see you on the next one guys.